Let's look how deep these plants were planted and see which one is actually correct, okay? The first one, I think we planted it too deep because as you can see, the leaf is essentially coming out of it, which means, yeah, we planted it too deep, so the plant is essentially choking itself. This plant is too shallow. Look, the roots are actually above the ground, so the roots can't even get in the ground to get the nutrients that they need, and the plant is actually falling over because it's not stable. This last planting, I think this was actually pretty good. Look at it. We got it in the ground at the right depth, I think. So this will be the correct way to plant your plants. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.